Alright, let's go ahead and start taking this brake booster apart. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect these harness clips. Then I'll go ahead and remove this hose here, because I will be needing this sensor for my new brake booster. Once I get those removed, I'll start removing these brake lines. After these brake lines, we got two size 15 nuts, one here and one on the other side. Alright, I already went ahead and broke these two nuts loose to the brake lines with the size 15mm wrench. But before I take them off, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these size 15mm nuts that are holding the master cylinder to the brake booster. If this is the first time removing the master cylinder to your vehicle, you're gonna have a factory stud ring right there. You can go ahead and pry that off. You won't have to replace this when you put this back together. Now that we have that master cylinder removed, we're gonna go ahead and go inside underneath that dash and remove those 4 bolts that is holding this brake booster into that firewall. Okay, so we're underneath the dash, and if you follow that brake pedal and go up that pedal, you'll see where it connects to the brake booster rod, which is this right here. This is the brake booster rod. And in order to get that rod off, we got a clip right here that's holding that rod in here. So I'm most likely gonna have to remove this nut and then pull this clip off, and that rod should slide off. Alright, now we're gonna be removing those 4 bolts that is holding the brake booster to the firewall. And it's going to be a size 15 deep socket. Once we get those removed, that brake booster should come out from the engine bay. Okay, now that I got those 4 bolts disconnected and we have this little lock removed from the pedal, we're just going to go ahead and slide the rod off the brake pedal. And now that brake booster is ready to be pulled out. Alright, now we're going to be removing this sensor off of this old brake booster and putting it on my new brake booster. This is the new brake booster. We're going to be popping this cap off and putting that sensor that's on my old one. Alright, the sensor sits like this. You see all those grooves in there. It's a pretty deep sensor. So what you do is you just get a flathead screwdriver and just pry this out carefully, twisting it, pulling it at the same time, and it'll come out. Here's a sensor on the new brake booster. Now we're gonna go ahead and replace this booster back onto the truck. Alright, there's that new brake booster, and it's pretty much just remove and replace. Now we're 100% done on replacing this brake booster. If you want to see how to bleed the brake system, go ahead and stay tuned for the next video. And I'll be showing you how to bleed this system here.